Hi people, welcome back to B Town with Box Office. Hope everybody's doing well and keeping safe and doing great. And it's been, of course, um, अजीब सी फिजा में कुछ डर है, कुछ खौफ है. बहुत लोग इस वक्त सफर कर रहे हैं कोविड से एंड वी वेरी वरीड ऑफ कोर्स ऑल ओवर द वर्ल्ड. हम सब बहुत ही परेशान हैं, दुआ कर रहे हैं कि प्लीज सब लोग सेफ रहें एंड जिनकी फैमिली सफर कर रही हैं एंड आई होप एंड आई रियली प्रे दैट we come out strong from this, and in this month of Ramadan we definitely pray कि इंशाल्लाह हम सब इस यूनिवर्सल आफत या प्रॉब्लम से बाहर निकल आए, बिकॉज बहुत से फैमिलीज इस वक्त सफर कर रही हैं एंड आई होप एंड आई प्रे दैट सब चीज जल्दी ठीक हो जाए, लाइक अ नाइटमेयर इट गोज अवे कंप्लीटली. कमिंग बैक विद दैट, आज हमारे पास एक स्पेशल गेस्ट हैं जिनका नाम, जो बहुत लोग उनको जानते हैं, उनको फिल्मों में देखा है एंड थिएटर में देखा है, सिनेमा में देखा है, वेब सीरीज पे देखा है. सो बहुत ही इंटरेस्टिंग गेस्ट आज हमारे साथ ज्वाइन करने वाली हैं. उनका नाम है मिस वंदना. सो मैं उनको अभी एक रिक्वेस्ट भेजती हूँ एंड आई गिव अ प्रॉपर इंट्रोडक्शन फॉर दैट. Okay, I've sent an invitation to Vandana ji and she should be able to join in soon. So जब तक वो नहीं आती, आप यहाँ रिप्लाई दे दो दुआ के लिए. जी आई डोंट नो क्लोज आपका नाम क्या है, बट थैंक यू ऑल द फ्रॉम इंडिया एंड ऑफ कोर्स आपके लिए भी दुआएं, आपकी सब फैमिली के लिए भी दुआएं एंड एवरीबडी बैक इन इंडिया, सबके, नॉट जस्ट इंडिया. आई थिंक इंडिया तो ऑफ कोर्स बहुत ही ज्यादा जरूरत है उसको, हम सबकी दुआओं की एंड हम सबकी सपोर्ट की, लेकिन उसके अलावा आई थिंक ओवरऑल दुनिया में ही सब लोग सफर कर रहे हैं. थैंक यू संदीप फॉर योर कमेंट्स. थैंक यू एवरीबडी जो ज्वाइन कर रहे हैं. वंदना जी बहुत जल्दी ही सून ज्वाइन कर लेंगी और अब हम उनके जी क्वेश्चन आंसर्स लेंगे. सो आई एम होपिंग दैट शी विल बी एबल टू जॉइन इन क्विकली. सो I don't know where my guest is, but I'm just going to send the request again. So wait 1 second. I think I already have, and she should be here soon. Okay, I'm sending it again. Invite. Hi everybody, whoever's joining in, थोड़ा सा पेशेंस रखिए, गेस्ट आने वाली है. आई एम फाइन, थैंक यू. हाउ डू आई प्रोनाउंस योर नेम? Chatala, but thank you so much. I'm good. Hope आप भी ठीक होंगे. So just waiting for the guests to come in. Just give few seconds. And I hope सब मास्क पहन रहे हैं, सब सैनिटाइज कर रहे हैं, सब अपना ख्याल रख रहे हैं एंड अपनी फैमिलीज का भी ख्याल रख रहे हैं. एंड शो को क्यों नहीं मेरी इनविटेशन आ रही है? थैंक यू राहुल, आई नो यू आर माय बिग फैन, यू ऑलवेज हैव बीन. So do watch the interview. Okay, she's invited. I'm not sure that why is she not able to join in. But yeah, guys, thank you everyone. चलिए हम वेट करते हैं जब तक वंदना जी ज्वाइन कर रही हैं कॉन्वर्सेशन, ताकि हम फिर आगे उनके Q&As बढ़ाएं, फैन क्वेश्चन जो ऑब्वियसली दुबई हर जगह से आते हैं. आई एम सो हैप्पी एंड सो थैंकफुल टू ऑल ऑफ यू गाइस कि आप लोग ये मेरा लाइव सेशंस एंजॉय कर रहे हैं, आप लोग मुझे इतना लव एंड सपोर्ट कर रहे हैं. यू गाइस आर फॉलोइंग एंड एक्चुअली यू गाइस लॉग इन टू सी द इंटरव्यू एवरी टाइम. एंड मैं कोशिश करती हूँ हर दफा कोई डिफरेंट किस्म के गेस्ट को इन्वाइट करूँ एंड मजेदार बातें करें, कुछ पता करें लाइफ के बारे में, उनकी जर्नी कैसे गुजर रही है. सो yeah, every time I try to do something different. But अगर आप लोग की कोई request है, please send it in. I would love to try and get आप लोग के favorite stars and celebrities के जो आए and join करें and उनसे बातचीत करें, पता करें सबके लाइफ में क्या हो रहा है, सब कोविड में कर क्या रहे हैं. Okay, so I now see Vandana ji has joined in the conversation. Hopefully she will be able to merge the video together. Okay, I will send the request again. She is invited. Hi, Vandana ji.
Hello, hello. How are you?
I'm all well. I hope you're good.
Yeah, so far so good.
Okay. I think is it possible for you to bring the camera slightly down? Now, much better.
मैं वही कुछ करने की कोशिश कर रही हूँ.
हाँ, आप पहले ठीक कर लीजिए.
Because horizontal तो नहीं चलेगा ना, vertical ही चाहिए ना?
नहीं, I think this is better. This is just perfect.
Okay, I think I need to get to a better spot. The light का issue.
Yeah. It should reflect your face, जी बिल्कुल.
this will work. No, no light, no.
थोड़ी सी कम है. Now it's better. Yeah, I can see your face. आप settle हो जाए. Yeah, much better.
Okay. हाँ जी.
Perfect. So, okay, sound is fine?
Yeah, fine.
Okay, brilliant, brilliant. So, Casey, thank you so much for taking out time today. I know after busy schedule and with everything in the lockdown, but thank you so much for coming in and accepting my request.
Most welcome, my pleasure. Yes, times are
Thank you.
tough, very tough, and things are really
Bilkul,
hard.
bilkul, bilkul. I totally
आप क्या
understand. And
करते? Should I talk in English ज़्यादा कि हिंदी ज़्यादा? आप क्या बेहतर?
you can mix it. आप mix कर लीजिए because audience are both.
Both?
Yeah.
Okay.
You can mix the words, yeah.
हाँ
So
जी.
great. So, thank you. So let me know what's happening in the lockdown. Are you guys in 100%? Of course, हम news देख रहे हैं. It's quite scary, but आप लोग actually उधर हैं and you're facing the situation and helping people.
Really
Yeah.
tough. Especially मैं इस वक्त दिल्ली में हूँ और 1 महीने से हूँ. So pretty much हमारे family के सारे सदस्य, almost every family members got infected with this deadly virus, and fortunately me and my son are safe. My husband has recovered, and pretty much everybody is on the road to recovery.
Yeah. But inshallah, I hope everybody recovers and back and safe. Absolutely. I mean, it's a devastating time for India and of course your friends and family. बहुत ही ज़्यादा हम तो दूर बैठ के देख रहे हैं. इस वजह से आप तो वहाँ हैं and you're facing it.
Yeah,
And,
absolutely. Every day
yeah.
is a struggle for a lot of people. बहुत सारे लोगों को beds नहीं मिल रही, oxygen नहीं मिल रहा. We're hearing so many deaths closer to home. बहुत सारे करीबी लोग की sad news मिल रहे हैं. It's one of the worst phases ever.
बिल्कुल बिल्कुल. We pray and hope that inshallah this shall pass and you all will come out stronger and just praying for some safety. बिल्कुल बिल्कुल. अगर आप allow करें, I'll start with my few question and answers that the people of Middle East would like to know about you and your lifestyle. And of course, we all know you, but which personal questions. So, Vandana ji, if I have to ask you, आपकी journey.
Actually, Dubai is currently.
Really?
You know, yeah, I've been there so many times, and it's like almost second home. और दूसरी बात ये है, my sister is there also right now. This is one city. It has not been so badly hit. You know.
Yes.
You guys are much safer, doing very well. The protocols have been, taken care of.
Followed.
बहुत ज़्यादा follow कर रहे हैं. इसी वजह से आप लोग safe हैं. Cases बहुत कम हैं. और ऊपर वाला चाहे कभी ना हो.
No, that's one thing. Yes, वो मैं भी एक चीज मानते हैं और हम सब कि जब तक जनता और आवाम will not contribute, this is not going to go away. That's one of the reasons here where I think we've met our vaccine targets and everybody is following the protocols, the social distancing. You will see everybody with masks, including children. So
that's true. My son is not yet 2 years, so.
No, I understand. You know, actually, even even here under 3 kids, just pull it off. So I mean, that's leeway you have to give the children.
Allowed because less than 2 years, at least my pediatrician, my son's pediatrician, उन्होंने तो मना कर दिया कि 2 साल के बाद ही आप बच्चे को मास्क दे सकते हैं.
पहनाए, हाँ, because of course वो irritate हो जाते हैं बच्चे बहुत ज़्यादा. चलिए शुरू करते हैं. आप please बताइए, you have a beautiful long journey in the industry for so long. So how did your journey in acting started, and when did you think this is what I want to do?
It is a long journey actually. Seems like a really long time. But मैंने कुछ I really didn't want to be an actor. ऐसा कोई मेरा ड्रीम नहीं था कि मुझे एक्टर बनना है या मुझे परफॉर्मिंग आर्ट्स में हिस्सा लेना है. But I started with छोटा मोटा मॉडलिंग here and there. That's what I got into. And करते करते फिर मिस मुंबई का एक कॉन्टेस्ट देखा मैंने, फॉर्म भरा. And ऐसे ही I'm very short. I mean, I'm not one of those tall models, ramp models. लेकिन पता नहीं क्यों मैंने कहा चलो दे देते हैं, ट्राई कर लेते हैं. And I was the shortest contestant और मुझे टाइटल मिल भी गया. तो बहुत सारे 5'11", 5'10" के मॉडल्स थे. So yeah, Dynamites come in small packages.
Absolutely, and I think your journey is inspiration for so many girls that don't get complex that I look like this and I won't get in. I mean, just go out. It's the hard
Yeah,
work and
it
dedication.
is.
Yeah.
It is 80% of the time आपकी ब्यूटी नहीं काम आती है, आपके आउटवर्ड एक्सपीरियंस, आउटवर्ड लुक नहीं काम आता है. What really matters is your beauty within. और आप किस तरह अपने आप को आप you must be seeing so many actors, हमारी इंडस्ट्री की ही ले ले, जो शुरू में मतलब वो बात ठीक से नहीं कर पाते थे, कम्युनिकेशन स्किल्स नहीं थे, चाहे वो इंग्लिश हो या हिंदी हो, बहुत डिफिकल्टी से वो कम्युनिकेट कर पाते थे. लेकिन उनकी जो अंदरूनी ब्यूटी है और वो छलक के आती थी, दैट वार्मथ, दैट मोल्डेबल पर्सनालिटी, कि मैं किसी भी तरह का किरदार बहुत अच्छी तरह से निभाऊंगी. माई इंग्लिश और माई हिंदी हैज गॉट नथिंग टू डू विद इट.
बिल्कुल, बिल्कुल. Wow. So from modeling, then you got into acting.
आई
Like,
गॉट
how
इनटू
was your first experience? आपने कैमरा फेस किया? कैसा था?
टेलीविजन से थोड़ा बहुत शुरू किया था मैंने. उस वक्त टेलीविजन वाज द बिग थिंग, और हर घर में लोग डेली सोप्स देखते थे. अब तो ऑफ कोर्स ओटीटी प्लेटफॉर्म्स की वजह से, एटलीस्ट मेरे घर में तो केबल है ही नहीं. मतलब
Okay.
मेरे हस्बैंड ने निकाल ही दिया. He said, "There is you don't have the time to even watch web series there. Where are you going to watch so many channels?" So, yeah, television किया. फिर मैंने theater किया. That is my biggest achievement, my passion, my first love, which is stage. And थिएटर शुरू किया दिनेश ठाकुर जी के साथ. अब नहीं रहे, बट बहुत कुछ सीखने मिला. मतलब आज मैं जितनी भी हिंदी थोड़ी बहुत ठीक ठाक बोल लेती हूँ, it's all thanks to him. I was a completely English child, as in English in the sense I used to think in English, I used to talk in English. My Hindi was like, ठीक है, grammatically not so good, but इनका जो voice modulation, diction, speech बहुत फर्क पड़ा. And then it was a big shock to him also, because within 2 years I decided to become a producer director myself.
Wow. Okay.
हाँ, तो मैंने suddenly एक दिन फोन करके बोला कि दिनेश जी मैं प्रोड्यूस कर लूँ. He was like, what? So I decided to kind of do plays, and मेरा पहला थिएटर प्रोडक्शन प्लीज डिवोर्स मी डार्लिंग. ये भी एक कमाल की बात है, लोगों को काफी इंस्पायर कर सकता है, जो सोचते हैं कि हम कैसे कर पाए, हमारे पास पैसे नहीं है, हमारे पास नेटवर्क नहीं है, हमारे पास कॉन्टैक्ट्स नहीं है. तो आई रिमेम्बर इट वाज 2002 and I had about 10,000 rupees in my bank, Indian rupees 10,000, and I picked up the film diary and I had a beautiful script. मैंने बहुत अच्छी कहानी सुनी थी या पढ़ी थी, और मैंने सोचा कि मैं किसी फिल्म एक्ट्रेस को कांटेक्ट करती हूँ ये रोल करने के लिए स्टेज पे. एंड ये वाला रोल तो मैं कर लूंगी, तब तो ये मैं कह रही हूँ 15 साल पहले. तो मैंने यंग गर्ल का रोल किया था, और जो एक स्लाइटली एल्डरली लेडी का था उस वक्त, तो मैंने रति अग्निहोत्री जी को फोन किया. उस टाइम पे मोबाइल्स का कुछ इतना नहीं था, एक लैंडलाइन नंबर था. फोन किया एंड आई टोल्ड हर दैट आई वांट टू काइंड ऑफ कास्ट हर. शी सेड स्टेज. जी मैं कभी स्टेज जाती नहीं हूँ, ना अवार्ड्स मिले ना मैं देती हूँ, मैं स्टेज से मैं घबराहट बहुत ज्यादा घबराहट है. Okay. I want to come and meet you. So I was just I think 27, 28. I was very young, and for a girl to be turning into a director and producer at that age, it was not so common. मतलब अब तो फिर भी है, and I went to her house. I narrated the script to her at that age very confidently. And she just looked at me and she said, मैंने कभी स्टेज के लिए हाँ नहीं किया. I've never actually said yes for a play. But looking at your confidence, I think I'm going to do your play.
Wow.
So I said, but I don't have money. And she's saying, कोई बात नहीं यार, पैसे बनेंगे तब दे देना, नहीं बनेंगे तब मत देना, कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता.
Okay.
Theater is not about money. Theater is only about teamwork and getting instant reaction from the audience and giving them instant pleasure.
Wow, amazing.
That was my journey. I बहुत साल किया मैंने theater, बहुत साल, आज तक कर रही हूँ. बहुत सारे plays किए. They have got worldwide recognition. I've traveled with them to Dubai so many times.
That's so amazing. आपका ऑडियो कम हो गया है, your sound
अब
is
ठीक है?
breaking. अब ठीक है.
बीच में कॉल आता है. So yeah, all over the world I've taken Hong Kong, Dubai, America, Canada. So I take my plays and I introduce a lot of new talent on my,
Okay.
like जो first time stage करना चाहते हैं, जिसकी तो बहुत सारे actors आज के तारीख में अगर मैं कहूँ तो lot of people I introduce first time on stage. Actress, I mean Moni Roy was first time introduced by me on stage. There's Karanveer Bohra, रति जी है, करिश्मा तन्ना है, बहुत सारे लोग हैं जो पहली बार मेरे साथ
स्टेज कर रहे हैं. अमेजिंग, अमेजिंग. आपका एक something really interesting that you do. I'm a mom myself, but मैंने कभी I never really knew what it is, but this is something called mommy blogging that you do.
Yeah.
Which is it sounds so cute. I mean, please tell us about that. What exactly is mommy blogging and what are you doing? And it's such an. I've seen him on Instagram. He's adorable, mashallah. He's very cute. So, but the term mommy blogging.
आज मैं बहुत ज़्यादा upset हूँ इस बात से, मतलब लड़ाई भी हुई है. I never wanted to cut his hair. Like he's got his mama's curly hair. So,
yeah, and you have beautiful hair. I love your curly hair.
मेरे husband ने मतलब बहुत टाइम के बाद ऐसे मैं खुद काटूंगी, थोड़ा लॉकडाउन खत्म हो जाए, his birthday is in June, I will get it properly, give him a haircut. And I went to the washroom. I think युवान ने कुछ, दिल्ली में बहुत गर्मी है तो ऐसा कुछ किया होगा. My husband sat him down and he's cut his hair.
Oh.
Just 1 hour back he's cut his hair. I'm in such a bad mood. Like, all his curls have gone and he's actually gone and done it without my permission, without me seeing it. Oh God. So it's a little.
Yeah. I'm sure, but he'll grow back. And he's adorable, mashallah. He's very cute. So, mommy blogging, how do you describe, what is mommy blogging?
I just feel mommy blogging is your day-to-day feelings. It could be your interaction with your baby, your fears, your anxiety, your joy, your happiness. Just penning down your moments because, these moments will never come back.
Yeah, very good.
And we are lucky, we are fortunate. Unlike our parents, ना मोबाइल फोन से ना आप वीडियो शूट कर सकते थे, ना मोमेंट्स को आप ट्रेजर कर सकते थे, मेमोरीज और हैशबैक एंड थ्रोबैक्स में नहीं कर सकते थे. सो ये सारी चीजें वी आर फॉर्चुनेट टू काइंड ऑफ कलेक्ट इट एंड मेक देम इनटू मेमोरीज. एंड आल्सो वी आर फॉर्चुनेट टू स्टोर इट, whether it's our phone or our social media platforms, so that when they grow up तो उनके लिए एक बहुत लंबी जर्नी वो देख पाए अपने आप को.
And I think your son will be able to actually relive his childhood with your blogging. Whenever he's 18, 19, like, oh, I did this also.
My God, I'm getting messages where they're saying, oh my God, Yuvan's curls, please come back, Yuvan's curls.
Because his curls are too adorable, too cute. Yeah. They will grow back. I think 15, 20 days they should be back before his birthday. So,
अच्छा, of course बहुत सारे लोगों को इंस्पायर करती हूँ मैं. मेरी कहानी बहुत अद्भुत रही है, मेरी कहानी बहुत ही अद्भुत रही है, बहुत it's one of its kind. My whole journey of motherhood is completely traumatic also, ecstatic also, painful, a lot. So it kind of gives me more joy to share my journey with a lot of other women जो struggle कर रही हैं माँ बनने के लिए, जो struggle कर रही हैं ये बुरा वक्त जो चल रहा है, as kids, your kids have no company. So I blog about how can one keep occupied, and I'm also not working right now because 2 साल से I've been kind of in and out of hospitals plus the lockdown. So till that time, it's a good idea to kind of bond with your child.
Absolutely, bilkul. And you are a very big influencer. When we say influencer, there's a lot of लोगों की जिंदगी, of course, लोग influencer को follow करते हैं because they get inspired by them. So आपके you are an influencer, a lot of people follow you and take your guidance. So आपका क्या role है? You decided that I want to be an influencer to touch people's
See,
lives and
as an influencer, initially I would also say कि because I used to conduct a lot of workshops, मैं काफी
जी
theatre workshops conduct करती थी जिसमें आपको whether it's confidence, you know, skills to communicate, speech, therapy, all of that. So I also am on the panel with like with the Times of India. I've done acting courses for the Miss India contestants and Mr. India. So this is also a form of influencing because you're influencing your talent. You're kind of giving the best to the next generation for them to use. Likewise, I'm using my social media platform to kind of influence other mothers, other women, you know, a lot of other people or married people, anybody. It's all of us who are in it together, even during pandemic. I'm also influencing a lot of people at the moment right now to come forward and help because the pandemic is, you know, at its worst, and especially Delhi. And I'm doing my bit. I'm trying my best to get people. I don't even know them, but I'm getting them beds and oxygens using my social media in the right way. Urging people.
That is that's so fantastic that आप इतने लोगों की help out कर रहे हैं. There are a lot of people who are in pain right now.
Yeah,
it's
so
just
urging them. अगर उनकी मतलब कभी-कभी क्या होता है कि मैं अपने फैमिली मेंबर्स की हेल्प नहीं कर पाती हूँ किसी वक्त, लेकिन मैं किसी अनजान इंस्टाग्राम जिसने मुझे डीएम किया है उस वक्त, you know, I look at the critical situation, how serious it is, and I go all out. But
absolutely because
छोटे कैपेसिटी में बट कर रही हूँ और मैं चाहती हूँ सभी लोग भी करें.
because they probably reach out with you so much hope कि you know मुझे यहाँ से help मिलेगी, and of course and I'm glad that you are able to make a difference in their life और आप उनकी help कर पा रही हैं. I know that it's such a difficult phase. अगर मैं blogging का पूछूं, of course you do mommy blogging, but what do you enjoy? अगर if I say what's your kind of blogging that you would love to write about? I mean, of course mommy blogging. Anything else that you love? Like something in your head?
I'm a passionate chef. मैं बहुत शौक से.
That's interesting. Yeah, I think you're multitasking, aren't you?
Huh?
You're multitasking, just everything,
you know. Multitasking a lot. I'm doing a lot of things at one given point of time. So I cook all meals. I've never had to cook in my life. Aaj tak.
Wow. And with your schedule and all, how do you manage?
I manage my cooking. Yeah. So I do all my meals. I have something called Mandy's Kitchen. Vandana Kitchen. And so ये सारी चीजें मैं खुद करती हूँ. Of course, I have help to chop and cut, whatever. But I love cooking. That's my therapy. My son has become obsessed with standing next to me while I cook. So he says, "Mama cooking, Mama cooking, Mama cooking."
So cute.
Yeah. And also, I would love to do a film again because somehow I miss, like the movie I did, Dil Dhadakne Do. It came to me at a wonderful time of my life. I would say actually also a very sad time of my life. I went through postpartum. I mean, not postpartum. I went through a lot of depression because of a lot of failures during pregnancy. And उसी वक्त वो फोन आया और मैं जोया से मिली और उसी वक्त वो फिल्म मिल गया. And I said, I want to go. I need a holiday after all that I've gone through. So it was a wonderful holiday with wonderful cast and crew of great people. So ऐसा कुछ करने मिल जाए ना, that's something I would look forward to.
Exactly. That's so amazing. What's next for you? Like, आपके future plans? What do you think is your next projects, or what is in your pipeline now?
Right now, it's pretty much a mommy life, as much as I can see for a while, and of course the lockdown. And हम Bombay जा नहीं पा रहे. यहाँ पर we lost my father-in-law and a lot of people. So, and Bombay is in a lockdown. So we will go back to Bombay and hope things get better. I want to start my theatre. So my script is ready. I am looking forward. लोग निकले घर से बाहर without any fear. Vaccinations हो जाए, दुबई की तरह हो जाए, और
बिल्कुल
सब systematic हो जाए ताकि कुछ activity हो, हम theatre जा सके, लोग plays आके देखें. You need to, you know, unwind.
Come back to life. Come back to life now.
Yeah. So I want to start my play. I want to do a workshop for kids. बहुत कुछ है पाइपलाइन में. बस पहली प्रायोरिटी ये है कि बस हमारा देश थोड़ा बेटर हो जाए.
बिल्कुल बिल्कुल, ऑफ कोर्स दैट्स द मेन. आपका शो क्या कसूर है अमला का बहुत पॉपुलर हुआ. I mean, you have a huge, massive fan following on that. So how was your experience working on the show? And how did you say yes to the show? आपने कैसे यस बोला क्योंकि आई लाइक दिस, इंटरेस्टिंग है?
हाँ जी, what I missed that word.
I mean, how did you decide कि okay, this is a show I want to do या ये script interesting है?
तो ऐसा था कि मैंने 1-2 साल का ब्रेक लिया था बिकॉज आई वाज ट्राइंग टू गेट
Okay.
प्रेग्नेंट। तो उस वक्त मुझे ये शो आया। द गुड पार्ट वाज, I don't think my husband will agree, but the good part was that me and my husband played husband and wife on the show. तो वो पहली बार रियल एंड रियल लाइफ कपल थे हम
साथ में।
हाँ, और मजा आया, धर्मशाला गए थे। Eventually it was a wonderful show, great experience. Yeah, and फिर मैंने एक प्ले बनाया था, 4 play comedy which ran to more than 100 shows. उसमें भी my husband played my husband. It was a comedy play. So हाँ, the television क्या कसूर है अमला का was pretty much the last active long running show I did on Star Plus. And yeah, आज भी लोग बहुत याद करते हैं मुझे, बहुत ज्यादा।
Amazing. आपने of course workshops भी किए. You do a workshop for child development, for space, stage, speech, drama. So how did you think of this concept and to help the kids out? And क्या सोचा आपने, कैसे manage किया और कैसे अभी भी कर रही हैं?
So kids workshop is something which I have been doing, but then I just moved to adult. Like I said, मैंने बहुत सारे acting workshops की. It's all online. जो लोग देखना चाहें तो viewers जो भी आप इस वक्त हैं, जरूर, it's online. You can check it out. I have trained the Miss Divas and Mr. India, the होने वाले Miss India contestants. So वो Times of India के platform पे है. आप देख सकते हो कि किस तरह मैं थोड़ा बहुत conduct करती हूँ. You know, it's a good way to do it because घर पे आप बैठ के करो क्या? All the aspiring actors इस वक्त जो आप देख रहे हैं, आप जो भी देखना चाहते हैं in terms of why don't you just, you know, use your
True. आपका sound, can you hear?
हाँ, आप better है?
Better. It just went away. Okay, so when so you help them in speech development.
1 second. Okay.
Yeah.
Please say my name. Closed account Jaisami. मैं थोड़े लोगों को
Please.
करना चाहती थी.
जी.
Myra, hi Myra. Okay. हाँ जी, continue.
Okay. अच्छा. Social media is so big today, and you being an influencer. मतलब आपका कोई anybody that you felt कि मैंने इसकी जिंदगी में any particular person के हाँ life change हुआ या somebody reached out to you? Of course सारा दिन आपको DMs आते होंगे. Some special case that you like, you know, कि yeah, you managed to help that lady out or the guy out or somebody.
Currently बहुत ज़्यादा दुआएं मिल रही हैं मुझे कई फैमिलीज से, बिकॉज मैं कई फैमिलीज को हेल्प कर पाई हूँ. ऊपर वाले ने मुझे मौका दिया और ताकत दी, और मैंने कई फैमिलीज के मेंबर्स को सही टाइम पे अटेंड कर पाई, एंड आई प्रीटी मच सेव अ फ्यू लाइव्स. डोंट वांट टू टेक क्रेडिट, इट्स ऊपर वाला ही करता है सब कुछ. आप तो सिर्फ जरिया बनते हैं, आप जरिया बनते हैं, तो मैं वो जरिया बन गई. सो एट द मोमेंट ऐसे कई फैमिलीज हैं, आई हैव मैनेज्ड टू गेट अ रोप इन देयर, यू नो, होप ray of hope in their lives, and I hope to continue to do so.
Inshallah, many more to come, and I hope people reach out to you and आप उनकी
help
कर सकें.
At the moment, I really want to reach out to a lot of families जिनके बच्चे abandoned हो चुके हैं, particularly जब उनके parents COVID से चल बसे. I wish I could do something genuinely for them, you know.
It's devastating. Just listening
the law
about
doesn't
it.
allow us to do anything. Adoption rules are very, very strict, so one just can't do anything as a citizen. But if I had the power, I would do something for these kids.
Yeah, I hope so. And it's very devastating just listening to it. आप लोग तो देख रहे हैं, face कर रहे हैं, people are reaching out to you. So I give you all the strength and power that be strong, and I'm so happy कि you're actually doing so much. And no words for the amazing काम जो आप कर रहे हैं. Manjana ji, another question that came to my mind, of course we know that we all women have some point, like you suffered depression at some point in life, and it was a very tough phase आपकी जिंदगी का, and I want आप कैसे उससे बाहर निकली? This is also for somebody like me who's been a single mom, and for many women out there कि कैसे आप anything that could inspire us and many other women.
मैं कैसे निकली पोस्टमार्टम डिप्रेशन से, पहली बात तो मैं ये बताना चाहती हूँ कि एडमिट इट, मतलब एक्सेप्ट ही नहीं कर पाते हैं लोग कि आपकी इक्विलिब्रियम हिल चुकी है, आप फोकस नहीं कर पा रहे हो, आप रूम में बैठ के अंधेरे में बैठ के सैड पूरे दिन रहते हो, आप कट ऑफ हो जाते हो दुनिया से, आप मुस्कुराते नहीं हो, या तो आप चिड़चिड़े होते हो, या सुसाइडल टेंडेंसीज होती हैं। तो ये सारी चीजें आई थिंक पहले आप एक्सेप्ट करो कि आप बीमार हो, बिकॉज मेंटल हेल्थ इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. इट्स नॉट अबाउट फिजिकल फीवर, वायरल, diabetes or cancer. It equally important is mental health, and if you accept it, you will then address it, and when you address it, you will medicate yourself, and that's the only way you will cure yourself. Most people put it under the carpet and they just hide it and say नहीं मैं तो ठीक हूँ, मैं थोड़ी पागल हूँ. इसका मतलब आप पागल नहीं हो. Depression has nothing to do with पागलपन, and दवाइयाँ doesn't mean कि आप पागल हो. So I think accept करना बहुत जरूरी है. फिर step 2 अपने आप हो जाएगा. आप छुपे रहोगे और उसी चीज दलदल में फंसते रहोगे. You need to just wake up, because I had to see my child and I told myself that I have to live for him. There's no way I'm going to be 2 years. I've been in hospital before delivery, during delivery, after delivery. I mean, the child needs a normal, stable mother. So you have to shake yourself up. You have to think about people around you. जो लोग suicidal tendencies करते हैं, उनके पास हैं, या जो लोग damage करते हैं अपने आप को, alcoholism, they get into all of that, or drugs or whatever. They are not once thinking about the people around them who are going to be so badly affected, their dependents, their siblings. So I just feel one should just wake up, take some time off, take a holiday. आप चले जाओ कहीं, but जब finally आप सोचो कि आपका रहना इस दुनिया में बहुत जरूरी है. आपके अपने लिए नहीं हो तो नहीं हो, आपके लोगों के लिए है.
For your children, your parents, everybody around you, because when you decide to leave, big vacuum.
Like how you're a single mom, you must have had your moments of, being low and depressed and all of that.
Absolutely.
But you had to move on. You have to do it for your child.
Absolutely, yeah. It is. That's so amazing. And I'm glad that you come out and you spoke about it. And it's okay to fail. You just have to keep trying. And like you said, आपको post. And I'm sure आपकी जिंदगी का सबसे tough phase रहा होगा वो, because it's not difficult. I mean, it's very difficult to come out of this depression. So, yeah. So अभी जैसे लॉकडाउन चल रहा है, if I have to ask you on a lighter note, lockdown, baby, cooking, blogging, what was influencing, सब कैसे husband, सब घर, सब कैसे manage हो?
So this is the time of.
Literally, I see your hands everywhere.
Because I know this is the time that my son, luckily I have a maid, और सिर्फ हम 3 बचे हुए हैं कोविड से, और इंशाल्लाह बचे रहे. But
inshallah.
So this is the time he has his milk. And we have a little balcony over here, because बाहर तो जा नहीं सकते, नीचे जा ही नहीं सकते, तो एक छोटे से balcony है, वहीं पर थोड़ी हवा खाता है मेरा बेटा. And my son is with my maid right now and my husband. तो मुझे आधा घंटा मिल गया, मैं ये कर पाऊँ. So everything is so scheduled. Then I have to go and cook now.
Oh, nice.
For dinner.
What's on the list
for the family?
What are you cooking today?
आज का मेन्यू मैं बना रही हूँ pepper garlic chicken legs with mashed potatoes.
Whoa, that's yummy for all those people. Amazing. And I'm just fantastic. So yeah. So basically, after time slot, you make it. This is what I'm gonna cook, and then the blogging, and then first, because I'm sure it's tough.
होता नहीं है, बिल्कुल नहीं होता. Like today, my son, I tried to make him sleep from 3 o'clock, but he slept at 4:30. So everything goes for a toss. Luckily, there's 12, but and then there's my husband. He's kind of just recovered. My mother-in-law is there. She's lost her husband. Mother-in-law is recovering from COVID. So there's too much happening. Luckily for me, बाहर नहीं जाना है. That is a good
exactly.
thing. And
Yeah.
yeah, I just
But
it's
I
and
hope
then,
you
oh
stay
yeah,
safe.
and of course my main work starts between 3 to 6. When I'm answering all the DMs in the morning, whenever I'm free, सारे लोगों को
Hmm.
जितने हो सके मैं reach out जो कर रहे हैं मुझे उनको मैं guidance दूँ.
Gee. Yeah, I know that's like, mashallah, you've been multitasking and you're reaching so many families and hearts, and thanks to social media, कि आप
कल
physically
मेरा
नहीं पहुंच पा
anniversary
रही.
था और literally मैं
Really
एक
happy
घंटा अपने
anniversary.
husband. Thank you. I had just 1 hour. I spent time with my husband and my baby cutting a cake because
Hmm.
you know there's no celebration and this time this is no time to celebrate.
Not the right time, yeah.
Yeah.
So inshallah, next year when things are good, a big party.
Yes, and
Inshallah.
I'm so looking forward
Thank
to bring Yuvan to Dubai. Let him grow
Oh,
up a
that
bit.
would be lovely.
Yeah,
Please do contact me. I would love to take you around, show you around. Of course, you know
thank
Dubai,
you.
but I'd
I
love
know
to
Dubai.
meet
My
you.
best friend is
Awesome
there. My
baby.
bestest friend.
Yeah.
So she and her family, lots of families I know, and now, touch wood, I have friends and people via people calling me from Dubai, who I've been
Hmm.
helping a lot. So,
Hmm.
बस इंसानियत है. Humanity makes a lot of good friends
Of
also.
course. I think it's all about humanity and love and like
Yeah,
जो
it's
लोग एक
like
दूसरे की बढ़ चढ़ के मदद कर रहे हैं. And I hope कि इसके बाद the world now understands and connects कि हम
I
सब
want to
एक
get
हैं
my son to do ice
universal.
skating in Dubai. Ice skiing
Oh wow.
जब चीजें
The,
ठीक हो जाए, सारी चीजें मेरे प्लान में
I
है.
think you would love to go to the Dubai Mall and do the ice skating ring and all. He
Yeah.
would.
I've done it all now. जो मैंने किया है सब युवान ने
हाँ,
किया.
awesome. And I think Legoland. Up to this, I think Dubai is the amazing, most kid-friendly country. इतना है कि अब.
Absolutely, in every
Yeah.
way, in every way. And
Yeah.
it's like, मैं आपको क्या बोलूँ, whether it's education, whether it's cleanliness, whether it's system,
Everything.
whether it's you know, availability at any given point of time, you get anything. You know, here people are running for medicines and injections like crazy. There's black
Hmm.
marketing to what level? तो वहाँ मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगता
Yeah.
है.
बहुत बिल्कुल बहुत वंदन जी थोड़े से फैन क्वेश्चंस आए जो हम कलेक्ट करते हैं फ्रॉम दुबई आपके फैंस के एंड पीपल हु फॉलो योर इंस्टा एंड हु सीन योर वर्क एंड दिस क्वेश्चंस वी कलेक्ट फ्रॉम लाइक दुबई शारजा अबू धाबी एज इन कंट्री यहाँ के फैंस के लिए कुछ फैन क्वेश्चंस इफ यू अलाउ मी देन आई कैन
हाँ
उनके
जी
नाम
जरूर
लेके आ
जी
awesome okay
जरूर
Sara
जरूर.
जी Sara what's your skin routine mashallah you have a fantastic skin and glowing routine what is your
Oh
skin
my
routine
God, you won't believe it. After
and
months
for
I've
me,
applied
your
red
hair routine
lipstick today.
also.
Today I've applied red lipstick. I think after 2.5 years, maybe because I feel इतना gloomy atmosphere चल रहा है, इतना morose environment है, and I just feel
Gee.
a red lipstick kind of just lifts you up. You know, it just lifts you up. So I have applied red lipstick after ages. As far as my skin routine, I do nothing. Honestly,
Really?
it's just maybe coconut oil is something I've been putting for years, and I continue to do so. That's it.
And your hair routine?
My
Don't say only
hair is a
shampoo
mess.
conditioner. You
My
have
hair is a
beautiful hair.
mess. So it's a complete mess. Well, I'm losing a lot of hair due to postpartum depression, and a lot
Yes.
of and almost 8 years of IVF injections, trying and trying. So वो सारी medicines ना they make you lose a lot of hair. तो
Gee.
बहुत तकलीफ हो रही है मुझे as far as dryness, but my natural curls are God gifted. So
Yeah, it's beautiful.
I again rely on coconut oil. Trust me, you know, India, we should be proud of the fact that we have an access and growth of coconut oil here, because it's for the face, for my hair. We can cook in it. You know, it's amazing. Coconut oil
It's
is magical.
just amazing. Wow. Tell us the most cutest and the naughtiest thing about your son, Ali.
Oh, the way he says, "Give me, please, give me, please," because initially he had started like he used to say, "Give me." I started teaching him, please. So now he
Please.
knows if he wants, like, "Give me, please, thank you." Even if he gives something, he'll say thank you. Even if he gets something, he'll say thank
How sweet.
you. So he's learned the thank you and give me, please. And he says for I love you, he says, "Abu, Abu." So it's very cute.
I
But the
think just
most
listening,
cutest thing,
it
I want
will
to say
bring
the
a smile to the
most
face.
cutest thing
Is he fast
pardon,
asleep?
what?
So before leaving, maybe we'll have a quick peek of him before we disconnect. And everybody would love to see him if he's
But today with his
around.
haircut, no.
Acha, chalo, we'll see him on his birthday.
Yeah, on his
Great.
birthday.
Okay, Yasmin, did you ever face any kind of struggle while entering the industry?
बहुत
Initially, whenever you started, yeah.
बहुत I was for various reasons not being not being accommodative. For
Okay.
various reasons, I was replaced because I had a mind of my own and I refused to bend. So because I refused to bend and because I refused to cater to people's fake egos
Hmm.
and I refused to compromise on my rules and ethics. I went through a lot,
Okay.
but I
But
stuck.
then you, of course, and see where you are today, mashallah. Like everybody knows you and you're still there. So amazing. Devika, who has been your inspiration? It can be acting or it can be personal life also.
My inspiration, if I talk about a public figure, then Sushmita Sen, definitely. And if I talk about somebody who's has got nothing to do with glamour, fame, and very close to home, then my mother.
Hmm. No, of course. I mean, I think moms are the best
Yeah.
inspirations. Hina, your most memorable moment of Dil Dhadakne Do with the cast and crew and just सबसे ज़्यादा this one thing that you remember कि यार बड़ा मजा आया
When
था.
I did this to Farhan, I said, "Zara mere touch mein rehna." Yes.
Oh my God. Okay. But it must be a crazy ride. I mean, everybody on the boat together and
I mean, look at
yes,
it.
there was
Yeah.
so much tension on the boat. Like
What
there
a
were so many people,
cast.
actors together.
And yeah, another beautiful moment was getting a jhappi from Ranveer many times in the entire
Hmm.
entire schedule. Great energy, great guy. So is PC Priyanka.
Hmm.
His her mom is actually pretty much Yuvan's godmother.
Achha, nice.
Yeah,
Wow. So beautiful.
she's motivated me and kept me going for a long time, not giving up my. बहुत अच्छी lady है Madhu Chopra, a wonderful
Hmm.
lady, and she's been part of my journey, a very strong part of my journey.
Wow. And of course, I have to, I'll talk about Dil Dhadakne Do, the song Hello, Hello. And the dance movement, it was a crazy song. Aaj tak
Yeah,
people
one
just
take.
can't stop.
It
वो
was a
गाना
one
बजता
take.
कोई नहीं रुकता है.
हाँ जी.
Please tell us about it. वो गाना बजता है, nobody can control
अरे
themselves.
मेरा
You have
बेटा.
to.
So
Hmm.
and he starts off, Yeah, that song is. I think it's here to stay. It's been what 5 years, but I think in the next 10 years, तब भी हर संगीत पार्टी में हर शादी में ये बजता रहेगा.
बिल्कुल. तो आपको कैसा लगा? मजा आया? Like the dancing and the whole,
I
it was
love
and just
dancing.
shot very differently. I think it was very non-stop the way the
Yeah,
camera
it
was
was without a
moving.
cut. It was a one take song, and
Hmm.
I was. There were a lot of people who could have been chosen to do that part with Farhan. हमारे मतलब जितने भी सारी actresses थी, but I thank Bosco, the dance
Hmm.
director, choreographer who selected me to be doing that little piece with Farhan. It was amazing. And the best part is I'm a dancer. I'm a dancer by birth. I think I was shaking in my
Okay.
mother's tummy. Yeah, I was already doing a yo-yo in my mother's tummy. So so I
So I think आपकी multitasking में ये भी आ गया that you're a dancer also with the rest of the stuff.
I'm a dancer. I have trained people for dancing. So I do a lot of
Okay.
I'm as my friends call me the Madhuri Dixit of the group. So I'm
Hmm.
always doing the Chamya Nach. All my friends' weddings, I have done a solo performance on stage. तो ये डांस इज इन माई ब्लड एंड मुझे बहुत मजा आया बिकॉज आप इतने अच्छे कंट्री में ऑन द क्रूज with the best names of the industry, with one of the
Hmm.
finest directors, and a great song. I mean, it was amazing.
I'm sure it was fantastic and with so many people. Obviously, you've been on the judges panels also for Mr. India. So how's that experience, Ayan? कि
ग्रेट.
आपने
हाँ, बहुत अच्छा था. I was honored to be selected as one of the people on their panel to kind of train actors, because most train models actually, most of the models at some point उनका next step ज़्यादातर acting ही होता है. You know, आप किसी मॉडल को पूछो तो वो डेफिनेटली एक्टिंग ट्राई करना चाहती है या चाहता है. तो it was fantastic. मतलब those boys were like a lot of fun, and they looked up to me, and everybody was like, "Ma'am, ma'am, ma'am." I said, "Please, Vandana, bolo." So, no, no, you're ma'am for us. So it was great fun. I have also one of them sent me a DM. He reminded me that I had trained him. I'm happy that I happened to help his family too in these times of need. तो कहाँ से connection, you know, कोई भी आपकी लाइफ में आता है, मेरा कहना है, मेरा विश्वास है, मेरा बिलीफ है कि he comes or she comes for a reason.
True, बिल्कुल. And you've been placed to help people out. So any interesting thing from that while you were judging? कुछ मजेदार चीज आपको याद रहेगी? I mean, of course, every day must be like an event, a lot of fun. But, or any fan moment that you had that somebody just came up to you and
like there was one person who knew every scene of mine that I had done. I just had to tell him that, you know, ये वाली शो का ये सीन बताओ. And he pit pat exactly जैसे मैं perform करती हूँ, वो एकदम copy paste कर रहा.
Wow.
So it was a lot of fun.
I'm sure. I must be a very good fan of yours. Wow.
Flattering also, very flattering.
Achha, best compliment that you got can be from a guy or a girl, like a best compliment
I've got is it's always mostly been about my smile. If I look at the physical part of me, because I'm not the 24-inch waistline girl anymore. I'm a real.
But your smile is like so nice and like so radiant. Like I'm sure that's why probably you get
smile. You know, there are times when I'm so sad, so low, but पता नहीं उस स्टेज में भी, उस हालत में भी मैं अगर स्माइल करती हूँ तो ऐसा लगता है मैं बहुत खुश हूँ.
Yeah, true.
So my smile physically, yes, my smile. Yes.
Wow, amazing. If I have to ask you, the future of Hindi cinema, and what do you think of the future of Hindi cinema? I mean, of course, lockdown to hai, but uske baad, whenever we do get back to track and everybody starts working.
I hope that a lot of people are sitting at home, jobless, without any income. बिल्कुल काम नहीं है. Obviously, there are no theatre, no halls. I just hope this entire pandemic ends, the whole corona, everything gets over and life comes to normal, because a lot of families are dependent on it. A lot of families, you know. Luckily, OTT platforms, web series चल रहे हैं. कुछ लोग shoot भी कर रहे हैं. But I would suggest ना हो इस दौरान, because as citizens of the country, till this entire mess doesn't end, I don't think we should be risking other people's lives. You know? So थोड़ा होल्ड करना चाहिए लोगों को इस वक्त. शूटिंग्स में मैं कोई नहीं होती हूँ ये बात कहने की, बिकॉज इवेंचुअली वो जानते हैं वो क्या प्रिकॉशंस ले रहे हैं. बट ये मैं सोचती हूँ कि एज एन इंडिविजुअल, एज अ सिटीजन ऑफ दिस कंट्री, एज अ ह्यूमन बीइंग, they owe it to all of us, you know.
Of course.
Let them not unnecessarily create more risk because of this. And the future will definitely be bright. I hope, I pray that we all get to the movies very soon and life gets back to normal and we enjoy our big cinema, our theatre.
Yeah, bring back to the theatres.
Yeah.
So amazing. So before I take your leave, Vandana ji, anything you would like to give a message or any kind of love to all your fans out in Dubai, Middle East, India? I mean, आपको बहुत लोग प्यार करते हैं, पसंद करते हैं, they follow you. Anything you would like to say for them?
Of course, दुआ में याद रखना.
So sweet. I think इस वक्त तो सबसे बड़ी चीज दुआ ही है. आप बिल्कुल आपने सही कहा.
कुछ नहीं कहना चाहती हूँ, सिर्फ यही कहना चाहती हूँ कि दुआ में याद रखना, हमें नहीं, मुझे नहीं, सबको.
सबको बिल्कुल. And I'm so grateful and thank you to Rizwana ji. She connected me to you and made me
Thanks,
speak
my
to you.
dear.
Such a
Thank you for
fantastic
having me.
personality.
Thank you for
Thank you.
having me. It was wonderful. I wish I could touch a few people and reach out to them through this chat and inspire some people.
Please, please. Thank you. And I hope कि आपने जो tips दिया जो बताया वो काफी लोगों को help हो. And of course, end of the day, please be safe. I hope everybody's safe at home. Look after yourself and lots of love from all the way from
Thank
Dubai.
you so
Thank you.
much.
Look after
And
yourself and
enjoy.
lots of love
I
to
hope.
Vedhan. And I hope his hair grows soon and we want to see his
I
birthday
know.
pictures on his blog.
Okay.
So, so
Lovely
look
chatting with
after
you.
yourself. Same
I
here,
miss
same here.
Dubai
Thank you so
so
much.
much. I miss
Please
all
come
the
soon.
falafel
जैसी
and the
flight खुलेंगी,
shawarmas and
please आ जाइए.
जरूर जरूर. We'll connect. Thank you.
इंशाल्लाह जरूर. Thank you. Take care. Hafiz. आप sign out कर जाइए. Thank you.
Thank you.
So guys, that was the beautiful and the very multi-talented Vandana ji with us, and she gave us tips about how to influence her life and how she's helping out people in this tough, difficult time, and of course how she's multitasking, cooking and the baby and social media blogging. And I think that is actually called women empowerment, and how you actually manage to सारे काम एक साथ हो सकते हैं. So that was for today, and the video will be saved in IGTV. Otherwise, you can always go and log on to YouTube or Box Office Events. And thank you very much for joining in. Thank you especially to Rizwana ji, who's been the PR source for all the artists that Box Office has been running till date now. And thank you everybody who joined in. Rahul, Dipti, I can see many people. And thank you very much. Look after yourself. Be safe. And prayers for you. Thank you.